Hey YouTube, what's going on? Today I'm doing another photo shoot with Michaela here in the studio. We're doing a few different looks. We're gonna do a few different lighting techniques, right? Using the umbrella up top, using the beauty dish, using the reflector dish by itself. Just a few different things we're gonna do here in the studio, and I'll be walking you guys through what all that looks like. So, if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like if you enjoyed the video. If not, then so be it. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. So for the beginning of the shoot, I thought it'd be a good idea to start with some pretty even lighting. So we're using the 6-foot parabolic umbrella. It has a silver inside with a diffuser on the front. Decided to just go with the one light here. As you can see, I've got the white background, the white walls on the side, and so I think it does a really good job of bouncing the light. So you get really even lighting here for this first look. And we just had Michaela just do her thing. I've actually got some music playing, and I'm practicing kind of letting the model flow, letting the energy kind of take hold during the shoot. And these are some of the first shots. So one of the most important things when you're shooting in the studio, especially if you haven't done that much work together, is keep it fun, keep it light. Make sure that the model that you're shooting or your client or whatever is having a good time, because a lot of times when you're in a good mood, you're going to get better photos than if you were not. And so we brought the chair in. Here's a look at the inspiration for this shot. One thing that's really changed how fluid my photo shoots have been, and I feel like have given me the ability to get better photos, is again using Pinterest. Use it as a guide, not necessarily like copying the photos per se, but just using it for inspiration. I mean, that's what all the greats do in any industry. So, get on Pinterest, find a board, find your vision, and then, create. Now for this next look, we're gonna use the 21-inch beauty dish top center, and I'm gonna use a reflector dish behind her for hairline. So I'm looking to get more of a drastic look here, and you guys are going to see kind of what we ended up coming up with. All right, so for this next look, we're about to change it up a little bit. I'm gonna do the reflector dish by itself, probably just use direct lighting. We're gonna pull up the backdrop and do shots just on this wall. I've got this little faux ground thing here that's gonna act like a kind of like a fake floor, hardwood. It's kind of backwards, right? Because I got hardwood. I'm using fake hardwood, but yeah. I love that. Yep, right there. Yep. Kind of work that. Yep. Step this way a little bit. To the left. To the left. To your left. Step to your left. Right there. Good. I like that leg, that left leg, left leg forward. Yeah, good. Look back towards the light, hold that, look back towards the light for me. Look towards the other light, yeah, right there. That's good. 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 See that? kind of like push no, face this way. Like, no, face the wall, this wall right here. Then push your hips all the way off the, yeah. Push hips away from the wall. Good. I love that. That's good. Yep, just work that. That's perfect. Good. Bring that right hand forward, bring it maybe to like to your thigh, and I kind of just run it up and down. Both of them, bring both of them forward. There you go. Oh yeah. That's how you feel. And you can like offset your feet if you want to, your knees a little bit. Good. Go. Awesome. Stay right there. Stay right there. There you go. Yep. That's it. Perfect.